Hello everyone and welcome. The world of software development is always changing. From the first computer programs to the internet, things are always moving forward. Today that change is all about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is quickly changing how we design, build and test software. It can look at tons of information, find patterns and make choices, which is really helpful for software testing. But like anything powerful, AI has its challenges. One big one is managing the cost. This video explores how much AI in software testing costs. Join us as we explore the exciting and sometimes tricky world of AI costs in software testing. Before we can manage the costs of AI in software testing, we need to know what those costs actually are. Using AI isn't a one-size-fits-all thing. It has many different parts that cost money, and we need to think about them carefully. These costs can be grouped into infrastructure costs, data costs, and AI model training and maintenance costs. Getting, cleaning, and storing all the information needed for AI can be expensive. Creating and training AI models also takes a lot of computer power and special skills. Each of these costs has its own challenges. We'll look at each of these areas in more detail, talking about how much they cost and how to manage them. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't build the walls before making a strong foundation, right? The same goes for AI. In software testing, we need powerful computers that can handle all the information AI needs. This is the foundation. AI algorithms need a lot of computer power to work with so much data quickly. Regular computers might not be enough, so we might need special hardware like GPUs. Along with processing power, we need lots of storage space. AI models use huge amounts of information, so we need a place to keep it all. Fast and reliable internet is also important, so we can move that data quickly. Data is what makes AI work. Just like a car needs fuel, AI needs data. Good, relevant data is super important for AI and software testing. Getting this data can be expensive. Companies might already have lots of data, but it often needs to be cleaned and organized. This can take a lot of time and effort. We might need to buy data, get it from free sources, or create it using simulations. Each way has its own costs. Managing the data is just as important as getting it. We need good systems and processes, which adds to the overall cost. Section 5, Training and Maintenance, Nurturing the AI Engine. With our computers and data ready, the next step is to train the AI models. This involves feeding the AI vast amounts of data, which allows it to learn and identify patterns. The more data we provide, the better the AI becomes at making accurate predictions and decisions. This is where AI gets really interesting, but it's also expensive. The process of training AI models requires significant computational resources, which translates to high costs. These costs are not just financial, but also involve time and energy. Training AI models takes a lot of computer power. We use rows of powerful servers and high-performance computing hardware to handle the massive amounts of data and complex calculations required. We give the AI lots of data so it can learn patterns. Data analysts work tirelessly to prepare and clean these large data sets, ensuring that the information fed into the AI is accurate and relevant. This can take days, weeks, or even months. The training process is long and requires constant monitoring by engineers to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. All that computing power costs money, and we often need special hardware and software. Specialized AI hardware, such as GPUs and TPUs, are essential for speeding up the training process and handling the complex computations involved. But the work doesn't stop there. Once the initial training is complete, the AI models need to be maintained and updated regularly to ensure they continue to perform well. AI models need regular updates to keep working well. As new data becomes available and as the environment changes, the models must be retrained to adapt to these new conditions. As software changes, the models need to change too. Developers continuously write and update code to improve the AI's performance and capabilities, ensuring it remains effective and relevant. This means retraining the model with new data. Data scientists play a crucial role in this process, preparing new data sets and working closely with engineers to retrain the AI models. Training and maintaining AI models is an ongoing cost. It's a continuous cycle of feeding data, training, updating, and retraining, which requires significant investment in both time and resources. But this investment is essential for developing AI systems that are accurate, reliable, and capable of making intelligent decisions. Section 6, the economic impact, balancing costs and returns. AI can be expensive, but it's also an investment. Like any investment, we need to think about the costs and the benefits. AI can do repetitive tasks automatically, so human testers can focus on more interesting work. This saves time and effort. AI can also make testing more accurate, and it can find patterns and problems that humans might miss. This means better software and fewer bugs. AI can also create lots of different tests, covering more possibilities. This helps find problems early on. By automating tasks, improving accuracy, and doing more tests, AI can save money and make better software. Section 7. Strategic budgeting. Planning for success in AI projects. In this section, we will delve into the critical aspects of planning and budgeting for AI projects to ensure their success. Effective planning is the cornerstone of any successful AI initiative, and it starts with a clear understanding of the project's objectives and the resources required to achieve them. Using AI in software testing isn't just about understanding the costs, it's about comprehensively planning for every stage of the project. This includes initial development, testing, deployment, and ongoing maintenance. Each phase has its own set of challenges and financial implications that need to be carefully considered. We need a plan for budgeting that matches our business goals. This involves not only allocating funds, but also ensuring that the budget aligns with the strategic objectives of the organization. A well-thought-out budget plan can help in mitigating risks and maximizing the return on investment. This means careful planning, good communication, and being ready to adapt. Effective communication among team members and stakeholders is crucial for the success of the project. Regular updates and feedback loops can help in identifying potential issues early and making necessary adjustments. First, we need clear goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Clear goals provide direction and help in setting priorities for the project. What do we want to achieve with AI? This question should be at the forefront of our planning process, whether it's improving efficiency, reducing costs, or enhancing customer experience. Having a clear objective will guide the entire project. Good goals help us make good decisions. They serve as a benchmark for evaluating different options and making informed choices. With well-defined goals, we can prioritize tasks and allocate resources more effectively. Next, we need to measure how well our AI project is doing. And this involves setting up a robust monitoring and evaluation framework. Regular assessments can help in tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. We can use key performance indicators or KPIs. KPIs are essential tools for measuring the success of our AI project. They provide quantifiable metrics that can be used to assess performance against the set goals. These should be measurable and related to our goals. KPIs should be carefully selected to ensure they are relevant to the project's objectives. They should provide actionable insights that can help in making data-driven decisions. Tracking KPIs helps us see our progress and show the value of AI. Regular monitoring of KPIs can help in demonstrating the impact of the AI project to stakeholders and securing continued support. With goals and KPIs, we can then create a detailed budget that includes all the expected costs. This budget should cover all aspects of the project, from initial development to ongoing maintenance. A comprehensive budget plan ensures that we are well prepared to handle any financial challenges that may arise during the project. Section 8. Collaboration and communication, bridging the gap. Talking to each other is really important for AI-driven software testing. Effective communication ensures that everyone understands the goals, challenges, and expectations of the project. It helps in aligning the technical and business aspects, making sure that the AI solutions developed are not only innovative, but also practical and cost-effective. The tech teams, finance people, and business leaders all need to be on the same page. This alignment is crucial for the success of any AI project. When everyone understands their roles and responsibilities, it becomes easier to work towards a common goal. This collaboration fosters a sense of unity and purpose, driving the project forward. Sometimes the people making the AI and the people managing the money don't understand each other. This disconnect can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts, which can derail the project. It's essential to bridge this gap by fostering open communication and mutual respect between different teams. Engineers focus on what AI can do, while finance focuses on costs. This can cause problems. Engineers might push for advanced features that are expensive to implement, while finance might prioritize budget constraints over innovation. Balancing these perspectives is key to developing a successful AI solution. To fix this, we need to talk openly. Open communication allows for the exchange of ideas and concerns, helping to find a middle ground that satisfies both technical and financial requirements. Regular discussions can help in identifying potential issues early and addressing them before they become major roadblocks. Regular meetings between everyone can help create a shared understanding of the project and the budget. These meetings provide a platform for all stakeholders to voice their opinions, ask questions, and provide feedback. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. By involving everyone, we can make sure the AI project matches the business goals. Involving diverse perspectives leads to more comprehensive and well-rounded solutions. It ensures that the AI system developed is not only technically sound, but also aligned with the strategic goals of the organization. We also need to explain the value of AI to everyone involved. Educating all stakeholders about the benefits and potential of AI helps in gaining their support and commitment. It demystifies the technology and highlights its relevance to their roles, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. Section 9. Conclusion: navigating the future of AI-driven testing. AI is changing how we make and test software, and it's here to stay. But using AI in testing has challenges. Managing costs is a big one. By planning carefully and working together, we can manage the costs of AI. The future of software testing is smart, automated, and uses lots of data.